Is there a bunch of spots on my face?
No, you're good.
Is that scary?
No, you're good.
Hey friends, we're extremely excited to have you here today and to talk to you about our Mazda. This is, like I've mentioned before, a project that we're looking forward to. We're going to try and cram a Vortec 454 in this tiny mini truck. Not mini truck like what everybody else is calling a mini truck. Like, we're talking a real street legal mini truck. Be a two-wheel drive. Today we're just going to tear it apart, get ready for the 454. So come along, let's see what we can figure out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possible.
All right, we've had some lunch, we're ready to get back at it. We're gonna have a little bit of trouble here. The radiator support is going to be in our way. It appears to be all part of the infrastructure in here. This is our first time dealing with a Mazda in this manner, so we're just kind of playing it by ear and see what we can come up with. But it looks to me like the inner fenders are all connected, and this is one giant box, is how it appears. So we're going to figure out how we're going to get that motor set in here, but we got to get air conditioning condenser, which looks like it's seen better days. Massively destroyed right there. All this has to come out, including that motor. So that's where we're at. We'll just keep plugging away here. All right, we had to make a battery swap on the camera. Sorry you missed a little bit, but not a whole lot. Back at it, we hope. Okay. For now, we got to get the transmission undone and the starter wire. You want to work on the starter? Actually, let's see, and me.
I think the transmission bolt's like 3/4.
Okay.
Maybe, that might be a tad bit bigger.
Okay, there's the starter. It is all undone.
Okay.
Got to undo it off the alternator here too. And we need that wiring to stay, so we can't cut it.
I'm not used to little tiny trucks and crawling underneath them.
Yeah, we need to jack it up.
No, it'll be alright.
Okay.
Oh wow, I was way off. Wait, hold on. That was a 13/16. Where my 3/4 at? Oh my gosh, I am way too good.
What?
Never mind, I'm wrong. It needs to be smaller than a 3/4.
How much smaller?
I don't know if it's a standard. It'd probably be a metric.
Okay, what are you thinking?
I don't know.
Can you get a socket on it?
Yeah. What's the size just smaller than a 3/4?
Here, see if the 17 fits it.
Okay.
Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, coming your way. Here.
Oh my gosh, beautiful.
17's our Huckleberry.
17's the Huckleberry.
Nice.
I got the ratchet down here, so I'm gonna try to just knock them loose.
Good. I think, I don't know how heavy it's gonna be.
Yeah.
But I'll back it up just a little bit more. We can.
I think it's more than 700 pounds.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
There's part of me that would like to just pull it out a little bit. Oh yeah, here we got it. It's not that. It's got too much. That hurt. If I pull that this way, will that motor mount pull out of the way?
Yeah, it's out of the way.
No, I mean all the way up out of the way. Can you pick it up? Pick it up the middle of the bushy. Or the, yep. Now do the same thing on this side. Then it's out of the way. I don't think those are supposed to come apart like that.
I don't think so either.
Okay, now. There you go, it's starting to break loose of the trim. Oops. It's gonna want to twist on this quite a bit. Okay, let's go up a little bit more. There you go. Out. Okay, is there anything that's still hooked up? Looks like it's all loose.
No, I think we're all good. Let me crank this a little bit.
Yeah, you can crank that.
Never mind, I'm not gonna crank that.
It's just wire tightening.
Yeah, I know it is. I ain't risking it. You can do that as much as you want.
I think we'll clear right there. Well, we've removed the transmission and the exhaust. We're ready for that 454, we think. We're pretty sure we're gonna have to cut this out and figure out how to put it back in. I think that's easier said than done. We're definitely gonna have to cut and or massage the firewall. I think what I'd rather do is cut it out and then rebuild it after we figure out the transmission and the motor. There's a few things that are really exciting, at least in my mind, and like I've expressed to you guys, I've never done this before, so those of you that have tried something along these lines are going to have some comments for us. I hope they're constructive, but the reality is that we're excited about the way that this cross member is built because we can add to it to strengthen up this frame. We're even thinking about maybe doing a full cage over the motor. We'll see how that goes. I'm not 100% sold on that idea. Realistically, my biggest worry right now is fitting it all in this space and making it reasonable. We're really excited about this. We look forward to part number 2, where we put the motor in this. We do need to do some rebuilding on the motor, so that might be a few weeks out. We've got to get some repairs done to it. Not a full rebuild, but we're gonna do the heads, it sounds like, at least. So we're excited, look forward to it. We've got a couple other projects that we're gonna work on. You'll see here in the next coming weeks, but thank you very much for being here and participating. And please tell us what you're thinking. Tell us what, you know, are we crazy? Are we on a good track? Are we foolish? I mean, be kind, but please comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please consider subscribing. We thank you for watching today and hope you have a great day.